Hi, everyone. Welcome back to our community. And I'm very excited because we have relaunched WeMakeDevs this month. And so happy for you all to be taking part in our inaugural hackathon. So, in this welcome stream, I'm just going to be sharing a little bit about what the community is and what we are doing and what you can expect, and also about this ongoing hackathon that starts today, and the future plans and other amazing things. All the links can be found in the description below that you see on the screen. And we started, a while back. We make devs. We did some nice events. I did some boot camps and stuff. Millions and millions of people started to watch. And then it's sort of like slowed down a little bit because of my full-time job. And people are like, Kunal, we make devs, you're not doing any events or anything. What is happening? So we thought about it, and I was like, if you want to scale, you have to give up control. So we have a nice team now. You may have seen Ayush, who is doing some amazing work with We Make Devs, and we have a dedicated team um, who is going to lead this forward, and including me as well. So very excited, and we are doing this inaugural hackathon, which I'll share more about later. But you can expect a lot of amazing hackathons and meetups, and a lot of open source initiatives, scholarships, just things that create value. And everything we do can be found on the website. Even the hackathons and the meetups and everything we do, we're always going to be focusing on an open source approach. So you'll get access to the latest tools, guidance, mentorship, collaborate with people around the world, and just some amazing resources at your disposal. So let's get started. And let's not talk a lot and just show you in action how we're doing that. Actions speak for themselves. So first thing I want to share is I'll quickly share about the meetup. So we also plan to do regular meetups. This is the one that we're doing in Delhi around KubeCon. We have Bill joining from Isovalent, who's a pretty cool guy. He's going to be doing a talk on eBPF. Um, Me and Dinesh, who is our CTO at Sibo, we're going to be doing a talk, and we have a surprise talk as well at 5 p.m. and then 5:30 to 7 p.m. networking, pizzas and drinks. So you can see we have some amazing speakers lined up. The venue is also great, and it's free. You don't have to pay anything. It's just that we only have 200 capacity. So register ASAP so we can let you in. And yeah, hopefully hoping to see you there. If you can't make it to this one, we will see you at what do you call it, KubeCon. And shout out to Kestra for sponsoring. Speaking of Kestra, they are doing a product hunt launch today, and it's a pretty amazing platform. Using Kestra, you can just focus on building and not worry about the all the orchestration needs and all these other things. It's pretty cool. Um, they are doing a launch today, and if you want to learn more about Kestra, I have made a video on it already. It's an open source tool, so you can check it out for free. As I mentioned already, we are really pushing the open source narrative, and you can click on this notify me link when they do their launch, so you can check it out, give them an upvote if you like it, and just get involved in the community. They also did a collaboration with us during Hacktoberfest, where they created a lot of real world issues on their GitHub repository, and a lot of people contributed, and it's really awesome. So you can check that out as well. And sponsors are the ones who make it happen, and we really push the agenda for open source sponsors, so that it's nice and clear to everyone. um, and I think it's just an amazing community. You're going to learn a lot. And if you're new to Kestra, don't worry, I will share with you plenty of resources and live streams where you'll be learning quite a lot. So that's another thing you should do. Links can be found in the description. When they launch on Product Hunt, make sure you check it out. Speaking of learning, KodeKloud is also the educational partner for this hackathon called HackFrost. I'll just show you HackFrost hackathon if you don't already know. I'll go through this page shortly. So they recently launched their AI-powered learning. This is actually what I really envisioned when we spoke about, you know, the role of AI in education. So simply, KodeKloud is a DevOps learning platform, cloud learning platform, and they have a learning lab, like a terminal on your screen, and then they have an AI assistant. So when you get the task, you can just ask the AI assistant. You can type it or you can just talk to it. It's pretty cool. I'll maybe I can show you quickly. So if I go to this simple course, Learn Linux, and this one is free, so continue, right? And then I can go to let's say I go to one of the labs. Okay, start the lab, and while that is starting out, you can get 50% off on all KodeKloud courses. So like it's a subscription, around 600, you get 50% off, 45% or 50% off, and it's only valid for 2 more days. I never promote any edtech startup. You know me. I have my own courses and stuff. I only promote handful number of people whom I have personally used. Like KodeKloud is really good. In all fairness and transparency, yeah, KodeKloud is amazing. Tech with Nana is really good. Free Code Camp is nice. But I think KodeKloud is one of the best. Just because the sheer amount of courses that they have and just really high quality courses. And I never, obviously, they are sponsoring the HackFrost Hackathon. Even if they weren't, you will always find me advocating for them because they are like, this is one of the platforms where I can give you my personal guarantee. I can't give that for any other course. So they are really good. They are really good. So yeah, 50% off. You can get it. Thanks, KodeKloud, for being an educational sponsor for HackFrost. But yeah, that's the AI assistant. You can obviously talk to it, or you can ask what to do in this task. You can ask it like specific questions as well. I've asked something very basic, but it's going to explain to you what this is. Or I can say, I don't know what echo means. Okay, some basic questions you're asking, for example. So it's going to explain to you. No worries, the echo command is a command in Linux, and it's going to give you an example. You can ask it anything. You can also chat with it. So it's going to actually tell you, like by speaking if you don't want to read. So yeah, check it out. 2 days left. Links can be found in the description below. All right, hackathon. Very excited. I think hackathons, we always promote learning in public, learning by doing. Hackathon is a great way to do that. So we have this HackFrost hackathon. I don't have much to share because it's an open-ended hackathon. You can build anything. People were asking various questions, what to do, how to do it. You can build anything really. And this is the schedule. This is the like today hacking begins. We have a live webinar today, getting started with Kestra for building workflows. So you will learn how to install Kestra, build your first workflow. Very easily you will be able to do it. Okay, Kestra is not complex at all. At 5 p.m., Will from Kestra is going to be demonstrating it live. So all the people who are like, okay, how do we integrate Kestra in our projects? Join the live stream at 5 p.m. and ask your questions. Even after that you get stuck, there are Kestra live office hours on Discord channel. At 7 p.m., the team at Kestra will be live on our Discord. They will be answering questions over there as well. And even then, if you're stuck, at 9:30 p.m., there is another webinar, how to integrate your code in Kestra. All of this is live, okay? Nothing is like pre-recorded. So we are giving as much resources as possible. Then tomorrow, I will be doing a resume review live stream. We have a Discord community call. We will be answering questions. We'll also have a fun activity just to take a break and network with people. We have received over 2,000 registrations, so you will be networking with a lot of nice people. Project submissions start on December 1st. Hacking ends December 1st, late night IST. And on 2nd December, we will be announcing the winners as well. You can also click this button to add it to your calendar. It's going to add it all to your calendar. Okay, just this button. Resources section, you can check it out. Tutorial, Kestra demonstration, all the project ideas. You're like, okay, we don't know how to add Kestra in our projects. What are the ideas? You can click on this link, and here you will find some of the curated examples on how to build with Kestra. All the code samples and everything, or everything is given. Okay, how to guides, best practices. and everything. Rules you should check out. Very simple stuff, just code of conduct, enforcing that, and yeah, what to do. So if you haven't already registered, oh, prices. Let me talk about prices. So best use of Kestra. Again, it's open-ended. You just have to use Kestra, which is very simple. So you can have maximum team of 4 people. Okay, this is important. 1 people, 2 people, 3 people, or 4 people. You can also take part solo. Maximum team of 4 people. The best team or the best solo project, you can win as a solo person as well, who uses Kestra will get a brand new Apple MacBook. And if you're working in a team and the team ends up winning, the every team person in the every team member will get a MacBook. So it's not like we just give MacBook to one person and then you split it, because you can't split one laptop. So every single team person will get a MacBook. Um, so you have good opportunity to win. Don't feel like you're a beginner because you miss 100% of the chances you don't take. We have gotten a lot of submissions from beginners. So if you're a beginner, I would highly recommend you to apply. If you miss that, if you create, let's say, the best UI UX project, let's say backend is not your strong suite, but you still have to use Kestra, you get a Dell monitor. Again, every single team will get a nice monitor. If you have the best AI/ML project, every single team member or the solo member, if you take part solo, will get an iPad. And the best solo project, if you don't end up winning as a solo in this, we will select a solo project, mean a single person who took part. They will receive the brand new Apple M4 Mac Mini, which was just launched, which is really awesome. It's the Mac computer, and Keychron keyboard and swag bag for every members. So all of these prices are around more than 10, 15, or 20 lakhs. Um, we are really pushing, really big for the community. So yeah, that's it. But don't shy away if you're a beginner. Highly recommend you taking part. What is the easiest way to win? Some of the side quests that you should do right now is start Kestra on GitHub. Like, you can start it over here. Then just take a screenshot of your registrations. So like just this page or something. After registering, you can click on this register button. You can just register. So register, star on GitHub, and share on Git social media using hashtag HackFrost 2024. And top 20 people on random will get a nice swag bag from Kestra. So very easy way to win. Cool. Kestra, we shared about it already. Unified orchestration platform for scheduling and orchestrating that simplifies complex data pipelines. Very easy to use. And judging criteria is mentioned over here as well, FAQs and stuff. That was essentially about it. What to do now? Register if you haven't already. Join the Discord channel, and Discord is given over here. You can find it in the resources section, the Discord link. Okay, if you don't know already. So register, share about it on socials, like tweet it after starting the repo. Point number 3, join the Discord channel. In the Discord channel, here's the HackFrost category. So here's our announcements, reminders, introductions. You should introduce yourself here. If you're looking for teammates, you can find teammates here. Just general queries. You can raise a support ticket as well. Raise support ticket. What is your name, your team name, and what is your question? So we'll be answering your question as well. All the events reminders are given over here. Any events you're interested in, just click on interested, right? And that's essentially about it. Cool. Did I miss anything else? I shared about the product hunt launch, KodeKloud, prices, resources, timeline, the new launch of WeMakeDevs, our meetup, and everything. So yeah, very excited. Have fun. If you have any questions, let us know in Discord channel. Share with your friends. There's still time to register, and share with your friends. If they have not already taken part, you should definitely ask them to join, because the prizes are really nice, and these are all open source projects, so you will learn a lot. And the theme is open ended, so you can build anything. Thanks a lot for watching. If you have any questions, send it on Discord channel. And oh, let me actually take a look at the um, questions over here. Not any major. Can you suggest some projects for? We have already done this. Thank you. Yep, anyone can take part, even if you don't have any like really good developer experience. No country restrictions. Any country can take part. Yeah, no restrictions. Yeah, integration is compulsory because uh, Kestra is the main sponsor for the prices, but it's an open source tool and it's very easy to integrate. And we have dedicated multiple live streams in order to learn how to integrate. But also, um, the theme is open ended. So yeah, is it necessary to deploy our project? Not necessary, but obviously, if you deploy it, then like just share why you didn't deploy it. Okay, but if you deploy it, then obviously extra points. Mhm. um, Presentation would be you have to just record the video 2-minute clip. Do we get certification? I believe you get certifications on KodeKloud. Yeah. Where do I submit the project? There will be a Google form link that will be shared with you. We will share on the email and also on Discord. A lot of people aiming for MacBooks. I answered this already. This is also answered. You will see it. It's public. Go check out the channel category. Is it student specific? Nope. Anyone can take part. All right. Thanks a lot for watching. See you. Is it also? Yeah, it's free to use. It's open sourced. So yeah, check it out. Thank you. No worries. Have fun, and we will see you in the hackathon. Any questions? Let us know in Discord. All the links can be found in the description below. Make sure you check out KodeKloud. You have 2 more days left, and yeah, have fun. Sure, we'll give you certifications. No worries. Okay. All the best. Bye.